In the heart of Mesopotamia, nestled between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, thrived the ancient city of Babylon. Beyond its grandeur and architectural marvels, Babylon held within its walls a treasury of wealth-building secrets that have stood for centuries. Known for its fabulous wealth over 4,000 years back, they knew to create wealth better than anyone else. Here are 10 wealth secrets of ancient Babylon, which can unlock the keys to prosperity that you are looking for. Start thy purse to fattening. The first wealth secret from Babylon urges us to prioritize saving. Just as a tree grows from a small seed, wealth accumulates when we consistently set aside a portion of our earnings. Nowadays, people often say it is useless to save money, and they suggest investing those savings for yourself. But that is a wrong ideology to follow. The reason why Babylonians saved a portion of their earnings every month or week is because it teaches discipline towards wealth. Without discipline, you will not be able to handle the wealth once you receive it. Babylonians knew the power of disciplined saving, a principle as relevant in their era as it is in the 21st century. Make thy gold multiply. Investing wisely is a universal principle that transcends generations. The Babylonians understood the importance of making money work for them. Whether it be through astute business ventures, strategic investments, or cultivating valuable skills, multiplying one's resources is a cornerstone of financial success. In those days, gold was the most valued currency. But now, that value has transformed into a piece of paper. However, the definitions of wealth have not changed. Money is a tool for you to utilize to create more wealth. Invest in assets that will provide benefits in the future. Guard thy treasures from loss. Risk management was not lost on the Babylonians. They emphasized the need to protect one's wealth from unforeseen circumstances. Just as a wise sailor navigates treacherous waters with caution, safeguarding our assets ensures a secure financial voyage. Nowadays, scams have grown to another level. Every day we see and hear about online scams, crypto scams, and frauds. With the internet, it is easier to access information, but we don't know what kind of person gaining that access. So, it is crucial to guard your assets and don't let scammers enjoy your wealth. Make of thy dwelling a profitable investment. Home ownership and real estate investment were crucial aspects of Babylonian wealth building. Recognizing the value of property, they invested in homes and land, understanding that a well-chosen dwelling can be a powerful asset that appreciates over time. From the 20th century onwards, trading and investing have changed to a large degree. Becoming a shareholder, owning equity, has become a new way of creating wealth. With the cryptocurrency, it has opened the digital world. But still, real estate and property have higher values as population grow day by day. Ensure a future income. Securing a steady stream of income for the future was a priority for the Babylonians. They believed in planning for retirement, a concept that echoes through the ages. By setting aside a portion of current earnings for later years, they ensured a comfortable and secure future. On the other hand, investing wisely will ensure it will multiply your wealth in the future. Those who see opportunities in a time of crisis will be able to secure their future than those who panicked. increase thy ability to earn. Continuous self-improvement was a key to Babylonian wealth secret. They understood that personal development and acquiring new skills enhance one's ability to earn. This principle resonates in today's fast-paced world, where adaptability and continuous learning are essential for thriving in the ever-evolving job market. To improve yourself, you don't have to follow every guru and read every self-help book out there. Learning from your mistake is better than 1,000 pieces of advices. Build a routine of self-discipline. Time is the most valuable yet limited resource we have. Use it as it is worth more than gold. Make thy gold a protected treasure. Prudent financial management involves protecting one's assets from unnecessary risks. Babylonians advocated for wise stewardship of resources, emphasizing the importance of insulating one's wealth against economic downturns or unexpected calamities. People who have accumulated great wealth have better advisors. They have better management plans. They know that the future is always uncertain and setbacks could occur at any moment. It's always a good idea to be prepared for the unexpected. Acquiring knowledge from experts can help people safeguard their wealth in difficult situations. Ensure a future for thy family. Family legacy and intergenerational wealth were paramount in Babylonian society. They believed in passing down financial wisdom and resources to secure the prosperity of future generations. This principle underscores the importance of responsible financial planning and education within families. If you look at some of the wealthiest families in the world, such as Walton or Koch, they hold a legacy of wealth longer than a century. When you grow your wealth, financial education within the family matters the most. Increase thy ability to give. Philanthropy and giving back to the community were integral to Babylonian wealth building. They recognized the reciprocal nature of generosity, understanding that contributing to the well-being of others can lead to personal fulfillment. In return, this could attract positive energy and more opportunities. Wealth is abundance. When you give back, you create more wealth with the goodwill. The more you become happy within, an abundance of wealth will follow you. Make of thy name a solid asset. Reputation and integrity were highly valued in Babylon. Building a solid reputation was considered a valuable asset that transcends monetary wealth. Babylonians understood that a good name opens doors and paves the way for enduring success. Your name is your best brand. When you create a name, create it to everlasting one. You can build trust and honesty around your family, friends, and co-workers, and that will create a great reputation within your community. The wealth secrets of ancient Babylon continue to resonate in our modern world. By incorporating these timeless principles into our financial philosophy, we can unlock the keys to enduring prosperity and build a legacy that stands the test of time. Till the next time, I wish you Godspeed.